Hey y'all, this is Jason, KO4DDG. Today, we're going to take apart the control unit for an Icom IC4100A. So this is the unit, and the reason we're taking it apart because the volume knob is loose. It's not supposed to be like that. So the first step is to remove the knobs. Okay, with the knobs removed, we're going to flip it over. You're going to have 4 screws in the back. So let's take those out. Okay, if you notice the video changed, I put my camera up top. So 4 screws removed. I haven't opened it yet to see if anything falls out. So let's take off the cover. And that's what we got. So the volume knob's on that side, so we got to take this circuit board out. Let's poke this around. Those things holding that in. Got that holding that in. So take that like that. Of course, that knob pokes out. And there we go. That's what we're working with. That was probably important. There's a little shield. Alright, so there's my volume knob on top. See what's causing it to be loose. It's right there. Alright, I got the head pot off, got the part number. Oddly enough, I fixed where it was loose by just taking a pair of pliers and squeezing a little bit. That was all that was wrong with it. It just got overused and got loose. Could have saved all that trouble. I was putting a pair of pliers around it and squeezing a little bit. Go figure. But now y'all know. Hopefully y'all didn't already tear into your project. 15 minutes desoldering that joker. See, I got it soldered back on. Come on, camera, focus. Anyway, to fix the problem, as you can see, it's not rocking no more. Take a pair of pliers, you squeeze. That's all that was wrong with that. Imagine that. Alright, so my GPS module came loose. So I'm going to get a dab of hot glue here. And hopefully I don't make an absolute mess. Little dab. Put it on. You press. That should be enough to hold it. Alright, reassembly. I took some Windex, wiped the screen. That's the first step. Make sure everything's clean. Do the same here, because it's going to show up if you don't. Try to use lint free. Should try to get it in the camera, huh? Now time to put everything back together. It just fell out. It's a power button. That looks clean. Put it back together like you took it apart. Nothing to it. Missing those buttons. So take it back apart. Put these buttons back in. Anybody remember how they went? One way. That's easy enough. Put it back together. don't force anything now. There, make sure all the buttons work. Finish cleaning up your radio that you haven't cleaned in a while. Put your VFO back on. Match up the notch on the back. Clicks into place. Put your squelch on. Verify it turns. Realize you forgot the heat shield, so you gotta take it all back apart. Put the heat shield back on. Well, this is fun. Now you got all your knobs on, verify they all turn, and that barely moves now, so that's good. Put your back on, reinsert the 4 screws. Yeah, let's see, got everything pushed down right. I'm in the truck, it's the first time we're trying it out. Turns on, turn it up. Hey, it works. So in summary, didn't have to take that pot off to fix it. Just had to take needle nose and squeeze the sides together. So if you're watching this and have a need to take it apart to fix that, save yourself some trouble and just squeeze it, please. KO4 DDG signing off, 7 3s.